Good morning, welcome to my channel again. How many of you run out of power steering when you're running the boat? Pretty scary. Alright, today we're going to be addressing one of the issues that I found a lot on the power steering pumps. It's a joystick boat. We have three power steering pumps. All three have the same. The oil inside turn like jelly. That happen is two main causes that for that to happen. All right, one, the oil got mixed with water, and second one, you put a different oil that you don't have to put in here, and then what you have is a gelatin like this. It's a jelly completely. So we're gonna try to clean the system. What we do normally is you can do it running the engines, running the power steering, and setting up a bucket on the pressure line outside. I'm gonna show you right now how you do it. Try to have a $5 bucket from Home Depot or whatever that have a lead is the most important part. And sorry, I'm moving now so I can show you what I did and how I did it, so you can do it too. All right. Got a bucket with a lead. You get the pressure line, that is the skinny one. You open a hole, you stick it on the bucket, opens a couple more holes so the bucket can breathe, because it's 2000 psi, and that way you can run the pump and run everything here, run all the oil from the lines. All right, let's run it and I show you what I find out. After we remove all the oil on the pump, right now what we have is clear oil. I empty the whole pump completely. I run it. It's perfect. It's something that you can do with the engine running. I have this module here that is from Mercury, but you don't have to have it. You can make your engines run and run the pump, and just lose the hoses on the back and drain the oil. Be careful with the O-rings on the hoses. They fall from the fitting sometimes. Thank you for watching. I hope if you have this problem in your boat, you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.